Hello there. Thank you so much for sticking to the course, and I appreciate you guys for completing the first phase where you understand most of the feature in Figma, where you understand the UI UX, where you understand how actual app looks like and how it can be designed. So I think that was the interesting part, and that was the main part of that this course. So right now we are getting into the daily UI. So daily UI is very helpful, and it helps a lot. It helped my team a lot, and now I really want you to understand that as well, because most of the time you will not get stuff or getting task from your mentor, your teacher, or your instructor, right? But daily UI will never forget you. Daily UI will send you tasks on daily basis, and I think this is very interesting idea. Right now, of course, AI come into the market. We can definitely take help from there as well, but I would highly recommend you to go with daily UI, because it will give you task as well, and it will also wanted you to share that online, so it will be helpful for you as well, for your online presence. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so in daily UI challenge 1, they want us to do sign up page or sign up screen, whatever you call it, and most importantly they give us a design hint as well, like create a sign up page, model, form or app screen related to signing up for something. It could be for volunteer event, contest, registration or giveaway or anything you can image. Okay, so I think this is very good. We have the task right now, so what we need to do is to get started. And for those of you who don't know how to get into this daily UI, so basically what you need to do is to go to obviously Chrome and search for daily UI. Okay, so once you search for daily UI, I think this is the first one, which is basically will sending you the emails, and I think this is very amazing idea, and I really appreciate it because it helps us a lot, it helps our team a lot. Okay, so just enter your email and boom, you will get the notification. Okay, so but nothing to worry about it, because I'm already explaining to you right now. Here is the user story over here. Okay,